Hi, I'm Dr. Sophia Fisher. This is your Psychology Minute, the Big Six made simple. Today we're talking about trauma. If you're not enjoying good mental health and a feeling of well-being, you may be experiencing one of the Big Six. The Big Six are depression, anxiety, stress, trauma, anger and grief. If so, then there are actions you can take. Psychological trauma is a natural response to a severely distressing situation or event. It may include disturbing thoughts, flashbacks and nightmares. Common signs and symptoms are feelings of anxiety, numbness or irritability, being on alert to further threats, reacting to sudden noises and avoiding people, places and events. You can help yourself by re-establishing your routine, talking with others involved in the trauma and letting your loved ones know what is happening. If things don't get better, a psychologist may help you by providing a safe place for you to tell your story and to teach you ways to deal with what's happening. If it's a family member or friend, you can acknowledge their distress and listen with compassion. Ask them what they're doing to help themselves and ask them if they've thought of talking with a trauma counsellor. I'm Dr. Sophia Fisher. This is your Psychology Minute, the Big Six made simple.